Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to show you how you can zip your folder and files. So friend, keep watching. In this video you will learn a very advanced method. Here I'm going to show you two methods to do zip files and folders. So keep watching, you will learn something new. So friend, let's jump into computer and check it out how to do zip files. So friend, here you will see that I have two folders. One is my image and second also I have images. Okay, so now here you can see that the properties of my folder. Now you can see that this is available with the 37 MB file size. Okay, now we are going to check it out, this folder size. So here also you can see that I have right now 35 MB of that files. Okay, so now we want to zip this file and check it out what the size will convert it and what options we have to do zip over here. So first thing first, right now we are going to zip this way. So simply select that folder which you want to do a zip. So here we are going to zip by Windows default application or software. So first thing first, we are going to select this folder and then do the right click on that folder. And friend, here you will see that Windows 11 is giving you compress to zip file. You simply do these things. You simply click on this compress to zip file. So your file will compress over here, and this is a zip file is ready now. Let's see the size of these files. Okay, you simply first of all we are going to compare the files. Here you can see 35.7 MB is showing, and when I do the zip, then we will see what the properties is showing. This is also 35 MB with that zip file. So this is the first option, you can do the zip things. Now I'm going to show you the second method to do zip file over here. Okay, so what we will do, simply select this folder and again we are going to compare the size 35.7 MB, and again we are going to select this folder and do the right click over here, and here we are going to see show more options. When I click over here, then I got this more options, and this way you can generate RAR file. So simply click on this add to RAR files, so your file will save as a RAR. Okay, and now we are going to compare the size of this folder. So friend, here you can see I have two things, and now we are going to compare the size. Okay, you simply select this file and do the right click on that and compare it the properties. So friend, now you can see which my file is 34.9 MB, and this is properties. We are going to check it out, and its properties is 35.7 MB. Now this is the RAR thing, and again we are going to see the zip option. Okay, then what you will do, simply do the right click and again click on this show more option, and here you can see add to archive. Okay, you simply click on this archive option, and whenever you click on this archive option, here you will get more options is showing over here. So we are going to select on this zip option which is available over here. So these are the archive format, and you select zip option, then you can do very easily. So it will convert as a zip file, and here friends you will get more options. Like here you can see comparison method, compression method. You simply click on this way, and here you will get fastest, fast, normal, good, best. Okay, so we are going to click on this best option, and here whenever you click here the best option, then you can see the directory size. When I click on this normal, so by this way you can do by yourself, so you will get the more idea about it. We are going to select on the best option, and now we are going to click on this zip, and here you can see my sample file.zips is showing over here. We are going to click on this OK button. So what happened, this file will convert as a zip file, and we are going to compare these two files, RAR files and zip file. Okay, so here we are going to click on these properties, and here you will see that 34.9 MB which is converted with zip file, and here we are going to check it out, this right click and then properties, and hit this is also showing 34.9 1.9 MB over here. So friend, by this way you can easily convert and save your folder as a zip file and RAR file. So friend, if you want to learn more about these things about the RAR file and WinRAR tutorial, then please comment me below, so I will make a detailed video about it, so you will learn something new. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, also comment me what things you like into this video, so that will motivate me to make more videos like this. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.